Now you go bring my brethren now, you know. All 6 foot time, a long time with us father get up on the sound already. Everybody know him, you know. Original #1 DJ around the world right now, soon fly to Jamaica. Big on say, no London, original Kingston, Macka B. Yeah man, respect. Yeah man. Now you wonder how me I go follow that. That you wonder. But you see me ready for anything. You understand? And first, I'm gonna touch up all the sensible woman and get things straight. Now it's nice for man say your body look good, kite look good. You understand? But how many man you see come on stage and say that girl is intelligent, you know? You understand? Them not do it. Either she look good or she can cook good or she have a big. You understand? But you see that one you for the intelligent girl them. I mean I say the whole of the Birmingham black woman them intelligent. So hear that part now. Come down operator.
3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1.
Now some man go like woman there for one thing alone. But some man is more than skin, flesh and bone. All the sensible girl, your business. She's more than a sex machine. The woman is a human being. She's more than a sex machine. The woman is a human being. Mix me. All of them man who want a fool girl. Might as well then go get a rubber doll. All of them man who want a fool girl. Might as well then go get a rubber doll. You see that one there? She have a science degree. The other one she run a work company. You see that one there? She is a trained nurse, and she stops me and you from going ideas. You see that one there? She is a teacher, and she teach the youth them for the future. You see that one there? She is a soldier, and the boy trouble her, she backs them over. Listen, all of the woman them in Birmingham, I want you listen to me on this one. A lot of woman got more brains than man. If you agree with me, I want you all up your heart. She's more than a reload. Come with the other tune. Next tune. Every time. Now hear this. Will it? Now you see me talk about all the different subjects, you know. That's why me can travel all around the world. And you see like how it's cold, me can't take the cold, you know. It get to me, but I tell you. So last month, me get a phone call. And it said me want to come somewhere sunny, Christmas. Now I'm going to tell you what I said to the people then. But listen to this first. Me hear some black people say, them like to see snow on Christmas Day, because the vibes and all them things there. But me no want to see no snow no time at all. My sunshine man, you understand? So hear the part and listen where me I go and do some show. Come with it. All Birmingham massive, hang on. All Jamaica crew, your pieces, mix me. It is winter time in England, and the place is very cold. Can make a man of 30 feel like 70 years old. And when I see the snow, I feel my battery's running low. So off to sunny Jamaica, I man have to go. Say if you want snow on Christmas Day, you're welcome to it, me gonna J.A. If you want snow on Christmas Day, you're welcome to it, me gone. Mix me, it's too cool. Coming like a freezer, me have to use 3 quill plus me baby mother, me heater, it never. Well it. You take me easy, come with it. Now here's not time. Jamaica crew. I give me some one drop mix, eh? It is winter time in England, and the place is very cold. Can make a man of 30 feel like 70 years old. And when I see the snow, I feel my battery's running low. So off to sunny Jamaica, I man have to go. Said if they want snow on Christmas Day, then welcome to it, me gonna J.A. If they want snow on Christmas Day. Then welcome to it, me gonna J.A. It too cool. Coming like a breeze and me have to use 3 quill. Plus me baby mother, me heater, it up on full power. Me uncle left the house if it's a urgent matter. Last month me get a call from J.A. Say they want me do a show up on Boxing Day. If me don't want come, they say me can't stay. Me might have want see some snow up on Christmas Day. Me tell them to book the flight right away. Me no want see no snow up on Christmas Day. If me never see it again, I wouldn't feel no way. So me gonna Jamaica next Wednesday. If you want snow on Christmas, and if you love it, then it's time say power. Alright. Ease up. Now you see that one, yeah? This is my brand new release, see? Now you see all the man I talk about them rude and this and that and them tough and carry the most God. But you see one thing them can't take, which means the woman take, pregnancy. You understand about that? When me look by my woman in a labor, me say me couldn't do that. Me glad Eve eat that apple off of the tree. But I tell you, all the baby mother, respect is due to you, because you bring with you them, yeah? Come with the tune. Baby mother, big up. You see the pregnancy thing and everything there? Couldn't go through that. Hear this. Big up all the woman them who have a baby, cause you got through the pregnancy. Big up all the woman them who have a baby, cause you got through. Mix me down. Some man a go on like them rough and ready, how they make Rambo look like a baby. Then go on like them tough, but take it from me, they couldn't take the pain of a pregnancy. If that kind of pain ever lick them belly, them woulda like a chimpanzee, them woulda just like someone. Yeah man, that one is a brand new release. Can't get it in a record shop, see? Now big up Pacific Crew, big up Spankman, and bring up my nephew from Jamaica. Baby mother, big up. You see the pregnancy thing and everything then? Couldn't take that. Listen this. Big up all the woman them who have a baby, cause you got through the pregnancy. Big up all the woman them who have a baby, cause you got through. Listen. Some man a go on like them rough and ready, how they make Rambo look like a baby. They go on like them tough, but take it from me, they couldn't take the pain of a pregnancy. If that kind of pain never lick them belly, they woulda like a chimpanzee. They woulda just like a baby, and slapping at the bed till the baby ready. Because having a baby it don't easy. Me tough, but that woulda tougher than me. Yes, me thank God and me glad easy the apple out of the tree. Big up all the woman them who have a baby, cause you got through the pregnancy. Big up all the woman them who have a baby, cause you... Listen me now. Now listen to me people, listen to me keenly. You never know me know so much about the baby. When me done you might have called me Dr. Macka B, cause me I go tell you about the 9 month of pregnancy. Month 1, the pregnancy just begun. Things I get serious because the front part done. Morning sickness, yes it a come. After the toilet the girlfriend run. Month 2, baby's organs still a come through. The heart and the brain and the kidneys too. It have face and eyes, hands and feet. It even have a mouth but don't have no teeth. Month 3, well in the pregnancy you might have see a little bulge in your woman belly. It has all of its muscle and limbs and bones, ears and nose and fingers and toes. Month 4, baby start to a little more. Face favor face and the ear start. Hold on, check out the music. Yeah man, check out the music. Month 5, baby start dance and jive. You feel glad when it move, cause you know it's alive. Some woman get a craving, a funny eating habit. Me know one who used to eat burn up matches stick. Month 6, baby a kick. Woman belly turn football pitch. Baby start do some gymnastics. Couple somersault and a couple backflip. Now before me go in a month 7. All of this might sound like heaven, but you can have enough problem in a pregnancy. So just cock out your ears and listen. She can get heartburn, cramp and constipation, headache, backache and indigestion. But she go through the problem like a champion. She's so good, she not frightened for you have a next month 7. About 28 weeks, put your head to the belly, you hear the heartbeat. If the mother is awake, baby want sleep. When the mother want sleep, baby not do it. Month 8, oh, is she putting on weight? X amount of chocolate, X amount of cake. Baby head gone down, baby await. Anytime now we could make an escape. Month 9, that are the real work time. All you can do is just wait for the sign contractions. 10 minutes every time waters break. Call the ambulance band the 4 line. Now you gone down. What it? Then you gone down on maternity. You're sorry for your woman cause she in a agony. But the birth of the youth has something me have to sing. My woman don't know she can depend on me. Me feel so proud because me are the daddy. And when the baby born, me feel so happy. Me hold up the baby like Kunta Kinte. Thanks and praises to the Rastafari.
Alright, give a big hand to Macka B, the most cultured man about the place, man. Taking it down nice and lovely, all the sexy girls are roll on easy, you know. Respect. Taking it down nice and easy, you know. Remember, so the club not done yet, you know. We have all 45 minutes to go, so don't bother rush to the door. And before you go out, make sure say you get a post if you want to go on Christmas, alright? Taking it down nice and easy, come in natural, so can't like Daddy Cobra. All the original Woody are the roll on easy, you know. Don't worry.
All bad boy man, every shit from me in a ghost can boy, we be here man. Y'all hear me? Bad boy every
make sure you get to the calendar.
We don't have the price, you know badness.
Make sure you get what I mean before you go in.
We don't have the price, you know badness. Price are gone. Turn up.
Take it down nice and lovely.
Stepping up, M60.
Turn
up, desert eagle. That feel no blue scope. 45, the clock and the tar up. We tell them man is a sell no we in a wholesale. Macka B, I sell the parrot. We tell them man is a sell no we in a wholesale.
All the sexiness and all that stuff. Walk like Christmas.
The price and no
Macka B roll on there.
everything I raise, we will not go. We don't raise the price and no bandits. So me tell you, the cat bad boy be look trash. Right round the club, we are round the place. And me tell them, the cat bad boy be look trash. Right round the club, bad boy be look trash. Me tell you, bandit, yes, we murder them people. We kill with the oversized clip. Bandit, tell them we kill and calico. We murder 15 and cripple. Every day that we not joke and pay murder. Yes, we deal with bad boy. Everything I do, just me we won't go. Run and raise the price and no badness. Bad boy, everything I do, just me we won't go. Run and raise the price and no badness. Because the boy can't let them down payment. Murder people from consignment. Gun in and away, we lose the result the price and me want to be price a gun. Turn up, price a shot.